In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Match and Meet dating app. So if you're experiencing any challenge with your Match and Meet dating app, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and use one of these methods to solve that problem. So if your app has been crashing or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright. Now, in the first method, we're going to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot it. For that, just go to settings. And then from settings, look for the option called apps. Now, under apps, look for manage apps or all apps on your Android smartphone. Go ahead and tap on it. For this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, under the list, go ahead and look for your app. You can also search for your app using the search function here. So once you have located it, tap on it and you can see we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back and find your app and then long press on your app and tap on app info, and this will take you again to the same app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data. Now, the reason why your app might be malfunctioning is because it has accumulated these cache files. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores whenever you use it to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might sometimes cause your app to malfunction. So to clear them, head to this clear data down here and then choose the second option, clear cache, and OK. Then restart your smartphone and open your app, and this should have fixed your problem. However, should this not solve your problem, head back to this app info page and go back to clear data here, and this time around clear all data and OK. And now you are good to go. However, should you still experience any challenge, then use the third method. And for this, go to Google Play Store or App Store and look for your app. I'll go to Google Play Store and here's my app. And now look for any update if it is available. Then update your app to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to fix any errors or any bugs that might be associated with the older version of your app. Once you have updated, now you can go ahead and open it to start using the latest version of Match and Meet dating app. However, should this problem persist, now you can go ahead and uninstall the app and then install it afresh to solve this issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.